Okay, so for problem 18, we are asked to prepare a cash disbursement budget for the first quarter and also to compute for the outstanding payable for the quarter ended. Okay, so the problem mentioned itong mga amounts na to, no, amount of purchases for each month. Uh, so what we do is we compute the amount of payment from each purchase amount for each month. The payment pattern, 65% will be paid in the month of purchase, 35% in the month following the purchase. So let's put the pattern here. Yeah, 65, 35. So for January, we will collect or pay 35% of 25,000 and 35% of 22,000. So that's 16,250 and 17,700. So you get the total, that will be your total cash disbursement for purchases. Same pattern for February. We will collect 14,950 out of the 23,000. So that's 65% of 23,000. And also 8,750, that's 35% of the January purchase. So get the total. Same pattern for March. So you'll get 21,050. So that's your first requirement. Second requirement, how much is the unpaid amount of purchases of March 31? Our answer is 7,000. The solution is quite simple. That's 35% of the March purchase. Kasi nga, based on the pattern 65-35, by the end of March, all of the purchases from December, January, and February will be fully paid. For March, only 65% will be paid. So it follows 35% is unpaid. So our answer is 7,000.